Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got some more Christmas tags to share with you. For the bases of the tags, they were already pre-cut. Well, the ones I'm going to show you first were already pre-cut, picked up from Wilko's last year, I think. So they were already made. They already had the string attached to it, which is so handy. I think I've got a couple green and I think the rest are red, just what I had over from last year. So had those from my stash. The bows, the papers I used, I cannot for the life of me find the collection, but I think it was one from like Panland. I think they were no, I think they were from Panland. So pick that up. It's just like Christmassy kind of papers. I think I got them last year, Panland, I'm not sure. But the die I used to make the bows is this one. This one was from the Works. I just really like the kind of scalloped edges of this one. Though you can kind of see it if I come up close. It doesn't like sort of punch it all out, the holes. But you got that sort of scalloped edge on there. So anyway, so use that die to make the bows. The gems in the centre, these ones were from a collection from the range. I can't remember what collection that was from. And then some of the others I have used. I've not got them. Hold on. Just try and find them. I've used these gems, and I think these ones were from Hobbycraft. I picked up again last year. I tend to get them sort of the end of the year, so like in January in their sales. The stickers on, I've used some stickers and then some I've stamped and embossed. So for this sticker, it's just again this collection that I picked up from those. These foam stickers was from Home Bargains. I got these last year. I don't know if they've got them in this year, but I picked those up last year. They come with a massive pack of all different ones. You'll see I've used quite a variety of different ones on these tags, but they do come with some others that I haven't used, and they're just like foam stickers, and I thought they were really nice. They're great for cards as well. So that's that one. Then some of them I've used exactly the same sort of thing, the die for the bow and the stickers, and then I've stamped Sweet Christmas Wishes. That was from this set that I picked up from Amazon. It came as a stamp and die set, and it came with that sentiment, says Sweet Christmas Wishes. It does come with other sentiments like a cup of Christmas cheer, because they're kind of all old in like a hot chocolate, or yeah, with their woolly jumpers on. It's quite a sweet set to have, and they stamped really well. And the to emboss it, I used this Wow embossing powder in like a black one. I can't remember where I picked this one up from actually. No, I don't. It might have been a craft fair or craft shop. I'm not 100% sure. So that's that one. And then you've got the one with the reindeer. Again, different papers for the bow and that sentiment. I think they came out really cute. And this is the penguin one. And then you've got another reindeer one. Again, like I said, all these stickers were in the pack from Home Bargains. Got Santa one, that polar bear one. And then for this one, I had one of these already made up, so I used it on here. This die is from, I don't know, I think it might have been from Amazon. It could have come from Amazon, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, and it just cut it out of glitter cardstock, and also I backed it on some white cardstock just to make it a bit more sturdier. Stuck that down. Use one of the foam stickers from Home Bargains. I didn't put a bow on this one because obviously there wasn't much room. Instead I've used these like snowflakes stickers here, and these actually aren't like obviously for stickers for projects. They're actually window, oh sorry guys, I just dropped that thing, window stickers. Yeah, so I think these were from Poundland, and they come in various different sizes, so I've used that on the back of that, and I have actually used those on some other tags I'm about to share with you. So that's that collection of tags, and then the next set I made was these. I made quite a few actually, as you can see, it's quite a few of them. I used, so if I move those to one side, for the actual tag itself I haven't actually put a hole in there. I don't know if I'm going to put it to the side like that or the middle. That's why I've kind of left it for now, because I'm not sure how I'm going to attach this onto presents and things, or I could put it there. Yeah, I haven't actually decided as yet, so that's why I haven't put a hole and like ribbon or string in these. But for the base I use this die. I picked this one up from Amazon, and it's by KS Craft. I've had her dies before. They cut awesomely, really well. So for the base I use the smaller one. This actually kind of makes like a little gift kind of tag box kind of thing, or gift bag you could use it as. But yeah, I used the smaller one. It's like stitched and that. Really cute die. Like I said, they all cut really nicely and stuff, and it comes with quite a lot of different ones in there. You can actually put it together. If I quickly show you. So I've made this Halloween one, and you can actually make like a little pocket. That's what it kind of makes out of it. Obviously this isn't Halloween themed if you wanted to do the pocket, but obviously with these ones I didn't attach the pocket, I just made it as a tag, so that it's quite versatile to use as different things. So that's the die I use for the base. Again, it was for all the bows on these tags, it was that die, so again from the works. And then on some of them I've done this, if I can get all the ones, this like little sweet snowman, Santa, not snowman, Santa. It's really cute. This I got in the range, I'm trying to think when I got it. It's quite a while ago now, but it actually states that you can cut it out of felt, foam, cardstock. Yeah, so it comes like that. They're the different pieces. So this is the outer piece. This like heart makes the beard. This circle is the face. This part is the white part of the hat. This is his nose, and then this is the pom-pom that goes on his hat. Yeah, so I put him together using glittered cardstock, and I used foam for his nose, his face, and then I used some googly eyes, and that's his little like pom-pom. I just cut it out of some glittered cardstock. I backed it onto some foam and then stuck that down to give it more dimension. And I cut the base out of foam as well to give it some more dimension. So it kind of stands up from the tag itself. Again, I used some of the stickers, like the window stickers. And I love the fact that they're clear at the back, because obviously they're meant for sticking on windows. So you don't get any back into it. I just really like that, so it doesn't show up. So use a smaller one there, larger one underneath. Use the bow, use the gem for the middle. Use some flat back pearls from my stash. And then this sentiment was Do I have that one to hand? This one. Picked up from the range. It's by Creative Expressions. Again, I've had this for quite a few years. I've used that on a couple of the dies, tags. So that's that one. That one's pretty much the same, but in different colours. That's that. Then you got this one, the glittered cardstocks from Hobbycraft. When they have their like packs on like multi-buys, I tend to buy it then. Some more flat back pearls in different sizes. So that's that one. Then you got, just use different sort of coordinating papers and glitter papers that kind of go together. And then that one, for the center of this one, I use this flower. This is from The Works, I think. I picked those up in The Works. They come in a pack. I think they're like £1 or £1.50, something like that. So I've got a couple of packs of those. So I've used that in the center. I think that goes quite nice. So that's that one. And then I think they're all the reindeers. So that's those ones. And then the other tags, I've used the reindeer, which I have shared previously in my video. This is by X-Cut, and this was from the range. And I've just used that die on here. I've used the glittered cardstock, some foam for the head, the ears, glitter for the little glasses. I think that looks so super cute. Googly eyes, and then this paper, I'm not sure if I've got that one to hand actually. No, but I think it's a Bow Bunny collection, like a really old collection. So I've used that to make the scarf. And then this, I have used this on some. I really struggled cutting this one out. It just, every time it just kept ripping and breaking. This I picked as a set, and it's really pretty when it works. I don't know if it's a glittered cardstock or what, but I picked it up from Amazon, and it came as a set of 2. Obviously I've used this one on the back, but it just kept breaking every time I release. So I've only kind of used it, I think I've only used it on 2, and then I gave up because every time I tried to get it out of the die, it either got stuck in the die, and every time it's all breaking, or it just wouldn't cut it at all. But once it does, you know, when it does, it is really pretty. And it kind of reminds me of like a snowflake. That's kind of why I've used it on here, but it was a nightmare to do. So if anyone's got any ideas of what could help to cut this out, it'd be very much appreciated. Again, just the papers, some flat back pearls, and that, and the sentiment. And then there's that one. I really like the blue, actually. I think that's quite nice. Colours for Christmas. Reminds me of Frozen, I guess. Got this one. And then this one. Pretty much all similar, and they were so easy and fun to make. That one. And then the last one's that one. And then I did have a couple left over, like the tags. So I wanted to use up some stickers and things. So I have made this one. This is just using stickers from my stash. I can't remember. I think someone gifted these to me. I do apologise if you did. I just can't remember who gifted them to me. I think it was in like a Christmas rack or something. But yeah, so I use those on here. Just a felt Christmas tree from my stash. I thought they were quite cute, and then one of those snowflakes at the back. And then I had some Santas left over, so I used those on these tags. I just put the sentiments at the bottom, some of the snowflakes. I thought they're quite good. And then this one I did heat emboss the stamp. It says Sweet Christmas, you can see it like that, wishes. And I used this Paper Mania. I got this ages ago from the range, and I thought it would stand out a lot better than it does because it's quite like subtle, but I still like it. And again, I used the sentiment from this stamp set. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, leave in the comments what you think of these tags. And as always, guys, I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.